Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw XRP from your Ledger Nano X to Bitrue in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this updated process ensures you're doing it securely and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, I'll break it down step by step so you can follow along easily. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated to the latest firmware. It's crucial for 2025 security standards. Start by connecting your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. If you don't have Ledger Live, download it from the official Ledger website to avoid any risks. Next, on your Ledger device, open the XRP app by navigating through the menu and confirming with your PIN. This step verifies that you're in control of your wallet. Now, head over to your Bitrue account on their website or app. Go to the deposit section for XRP, select the XRP network, it's usually the XRP ledger, and copy your unique deposit address. Double-check this address because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Back in Ledger Live, select your XRP account from the dashboard. Click on Send, and paste the Bitrue deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for network fees. XRP transactions are super cheap, but fees can vary in 2025 based on network congestion. Review the details carefully, then confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the screen and pressing the buttons to approve. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the XRP Ledger network. This usually takes just a few seconds to a minute, but keep an eye on it through Ledger Live or a blockchain explorer. Finally, log back into Bitrue and check your account to see if the XRP has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and verify the transaction status. A few quick tips. Always use the official apps and websites to prevent phishing scams, enable two-factor authentication on Bitrue, and never share your Ledger recovery phrase. Withdrawing crypto involves some risks, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. There you have it. That's how you withdraw XRP from your Ledger Nano X to Bitrue in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.